In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to make changes to your subscription. The first step is to click on the login link. Enter your email address and your password. If this is your first time logging in, please check your inbox for your password. If you can't locate it, click on the link below to reset your password. Once you've logged in, you can make changes to your subscription by clicking the subscription number link or the view link. From here, you can put your order on hold by clicking the suspend link, cancel your order, make changes to your address, or change your payment method. To put your order on hold, click the suspend link. Your order is now on hold, and no further charges will be made to your card unless it's reactivated. To reactivate your subscription, click the reactivate link. Your order is now reactivated. To cancel, click the cancel link. Your order is now canceled. No more charges will be made to your card. To resubscribe, simply click the resubscribe link. You'll be forwarded to the checkout page where you can fill in your email address, your first and last name, and verify that your shipping address is correct. Select the payment method you would like to use, then click the Subscribe Now button. You'll now be resubscribed to your original subscription. We thank you for choosing BullyMax and have a great day.